Hey everybody, welcome back. Here's something I've been waiting for 4 months now. Something we're going to unbox right here, right now. So let's go over and look. The box came all the way from Italy, brand new Supersprint headers. Hey, and let's get into it. We got some hats. A couple of shirts. Garage banner. Some stickers, and then the headers. So let's get into the box and see what else is in here. There's a nut. And another nut. That knife. Go ahead and open these guys up. These kind of look like build your own adventure headers here. But at least they are stamped with where they go. We have our collectors. We have our flangers. We go from the collector down to the header, down to the exhaust. Two of those. All of our little gaskets. Honestly, guys, this is not what I expected to see in the box. So we have number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2, number 6, number 1, and number 8. packaging. Here's our collectors. And the headers are in various pieces, which should make it fairly easy to put it together once it's up in the car, because you can put these on individually and then slide the collectors onto it. Now, it's probably going to be very time consuming, but it should sound amazing once it's all on there. Basically, what's going to happen is these 4 pipes will go into one collector, not so much like this. Because they didn't come with any instructions here. So that's kind of unfortunate.
About to be loud. Nice.
There's one side. They're
oh, you have to assemble them.
Yeah, you got to put them together. Like freaking Lego blocks, man. Because it doesn't really tell you how they do it. There are no instructions.
They're like, you just know, it's okay. Damn, they sent you all the hats.
Yeah. I did ask for some hacks.
Oh, okay. Oh, you like told them you have the YouTube thing, and they're like, yeah, we got you.
Yeah.
There we go.
Basically, there's all the gaskets. And there's the two sets of headers right there, or the set of two headers right there. So anyway, that's it. Let's move over here so you can see them.
Oh, here's 30.
Oh yeah. So this is them. Set of Supersprint headers, semi-assembled for a Porsche Cayenne 958 GTS. Once they go in the car, there'll be another video coming. But this is it. We unboxed them. We got some freebies, and now we just got to make them happen. Thanks for watching this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you check out Supersprint headers. Not that they're paying me anything for this, but it looks like pretty good products. So if you want some, check them out. Anyway, thanks for watching.